Disney? You wanna go see Mickey Mouse? Wanna go see Mickey Mouse, honey? No, you wanna go see Mickey and go to Disney and go play? No, you wanna go to sleep? No. Say hi. Hi. Say we went to Disney World. Yeah. We went to Animal Kingdom. Kingdom. Where are we? Disney World.
It's the back of his head.
Get it? There it is. You see the water? You see the boat out there?
Jumbo, everyone, and welcome to Kilimanjaro Safaris. In order to keep your space,
Where'd Journey go?
it is not necessary to form a single.
Hi.
Please have this person lead your party through
The safari that they had.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the safari ride. You felt like you were in that section of the world that they were taking you through.
I'm excited. Hi.
Is this our ride?
Watch your hands, arms, feet, and legs. We're just gonna slide.
But we saw lions, we saw zebra, we saw giraffes,
Yeah.
goats on a roof.
Oh, yeah, we did.
We saw ostrich eggs.
Yes.
We saw
yes.
elephants. We saw
white rhino.
white rhino, the black rhino. Oh my gosh, so rare, so endangered, and they had one there, which is insane that we got to see that.
But it looks like we're gonna get a view of some right off the bat. First, there's two animals to the right. First, I'm going to mention the bongo. They're going to be the copper animals next to us here. The bongo are known as the ghosts of the forest because they're hardly ever seen. So if you can spot a bongo, which you should, they're right there. Now you can say you saw a ghost. Like a giraffe, the okapi have a very long prehensile tongue. It's so long that they can lick their own eyeballs and clean their own ears. And being prehensile means they, but sadly, there's only about 5,000 left on the planet, and that is due to poaching. Now on the top of the hill to the right-hand side, we're going to see some fish down here. But before I talk about any large animals, I'm going to... Now the birds hang out in the river in all of Africa. Now they can hold... Like I said, but now we're heading away from Safi River. Upside down tree, because its branches look like roots, have officially entered the African savanna.
Giraffe!
Look like the first animals we'll catch a glimpse of here on the savanna.
A giraffe!
Are going to be some tall
Over
fellows
here.
you'll see out here to the right.
Over here.
They're going to be the Maasai giraffe.
In the tree, giraffe!
Now, any giraffe we see today will be a part of a larger tower of giraffe, which is what a group of them is known as, a tower. So we'll probably see a lot more of them as we continue to head deeper and deeper into the savanna. They are the tallest land mammals, though. They can reach heights of up to 20 feet tall. Whenever a baby giraffe is born.
Babies are born 6 feet tall?
Yeah.
Holy
Now, there is an
moly!
animal den coming up to our successful. We'll spend about 16 to 20 hours a day just eating. Now, that doesn't leave lots of time for much else. So, about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day sleeping. They're only going to sleep for a few minutes at a time, so they just take tiny little naps. And when they finally do sleep, they prefer to sleep standing up with their eyes open. Now, there's another one who's chomping on some food. It's the sable antelope. That is one of the only antelope species that will fight back against predators. The way their horns grow, kind of arch towards their backs, will help deter lions from jumping on top of them while hunting. Noticed, but they have some pretty long necks. But it might surprise you to learn that giraffes do have the same amount of neck vertebrae in their necks that we have in ours. That's just 7 vertebrae. Theirs is just larger and spaced out further. And they don't just see
Jaxie, look!
some little fellas on the top of the hill out here to the right that kind of look like our. There's also some mom and baby zebra on the other side of this little hill out here to the right. We might get a better view of maybe
Did you see the zebra?
mountain.
Zebra!
Now, one difference between
No lions yet.
Zebra and other subspecies high heels on. So their hooves are a lot more raised up between mountain zebra and other subspecies. If you could get a good look at their neck, they have a little extra. Here's the monkey that Rafiki from Disney's The Lion King is inspired after. African elephant. Now, whenever their ears are larger and kind of shaped like the continent of Africa, you might notice. This is probably a male. And I say that because it looks like he is all by himself. Once male elephant reaches they will leave their herds and go off on their own. But sometimes they do form bachelor herds. Elephants are deathly afraid of bees. So in an effort to protect elephant from African farmers, that does look like some elephant passed through here. One of the ways like an elephant like to dig their tusks into clay like that, they will gather the clay up and then they eat it. Now them eating clay is kind of like their version of them taking their daily vitamin. Clay is filled with rich minerals, which helps keep the elephants healthy. Ooh. I saw one to eat about 300 pounds of food a day, which is also about the same amount of weight a baby African elephant weighs the day that it's born. The correct elephant are pregnant for up to 22 months.
Oh, poor thing.
They're closer to 500. She shares a birthday with Taylor Swift. Everybody's a Swiftie. So she was born at the end of last year. Now these elephants don't just eat lots of food though. They also have to poop lots of poop.
It's elephants.
About 100 pounds of poop every day. An elephant poop is actually gathered up, and then it is recycled, and even paper. There is a website all of you can visit. It's called poopoopaper.com, or you can buy paper that's made of recycled elephant poop, and some of that money does go back towards elephant conservation. Their skin is very thick, almost a couple inches thick, but despite that, it's very sensitive. That's one of the reasons they hate bees so much. They don't like being stung. So they'll throw mud and dirt, or in this case water, along their head and back. It acts like a sunscreen and helps protect them from the sun's harmful UV rays. We're also going to see some birds hanging out in this greater flamingo. The greater flamingo, they're the largest, and also the lightest in color of the flamingo species. They are hatched gray, but after about a year of them eating their favorite food, which is brine shrimp, young gray flamingo eventually do begin to turn pink. And a group of flamingo, like the group you just saw right there, that's known as a flamboyance of flamingo, or their flamboyant pink color. She's compared to the black we saw earlier. They can get up to 5,000 pounds compared to the black rhinos 3,000, but they can still run at 30. And they are more social, so they do like to hang out in groups, known as crashes. But we're also going to see the fastest land mammal on the entire planet. Walking around to the left in the trees, catch up to the ones being a little more. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour. Their claws are always out, even when running really fast. They're also, this is known as a creepy. The Africans want to look. To your left, up by the end here, there is a lion. Their daytime vision is about the same as ours. Their nighttime vision is 6 times greater, though, and does most of their hunting at night. Now, it's actually not that lazy male.
Right up there, Journey, right up there.
Water buck here. Male lion, his responsibilities are going to fall on defending their territory, and their cubs, or pride, the male could stand right on top of an ostrich egg, and it wouldn't crack. The warden's post, that is a piece of one of the beehive fences I mentioned earlier.
They're just chilling up there.
That's what a beehive would look like. And these goats, they're a great example of how humans and animals can live together in harmony with one another.
Journey, it is their house, Bubby.
The people of Africa take care of the goats, providing
They're allowed
water in return.
Journey was obsessed with seeing all the fishies. Journey, did you see fishies? He loved the fishies. They're cool, huh, Jack? This is your brother's stuff right here, isn't it? You see the fishies, Bubby?
My favorite one's that big old blue one.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Fishies?
Yeah. That one is I got another one.
Journey, are you with your fishies?
Okay, now.
Yeah.
Whoa. Breathing.
He's trying to get the fish to eat the leaf. Oh, he broke a little bite off it. You're sweet, bud. Bubba. Are you just staring at your fishies, Journey? Yeah. That is so cool how he's doing that.
It's like a metal detector.
Yeah.
It's like a metal detector. That detects food instead of metal. You slipped, buddy.
You're right, Jax. That's a good way to put it.
There's one in there, there's one up there.
They're upside down.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's what all of those little ball things, they're all nests.
That's why the bird was upside down.
I can hold that shut. 2 hands.
Uh-huh. Look at this one. Could you hold that one shut? The hippo?
Sorry.
Oh, wow. That's not even big enough. Jordan was obsessed with the gorillas and the monkeys. He's like, these are my family. Welcome to my family. Oh, he's running.
My family? My family. Hi, Dad. My mom. We're all male geese.
The gorillas.
Oh,
They
kept
yeah.
on staring at us.
Yeah, we were having stare downs with them. They were intimidating. I wish I brought my zoom lens. Wait a second. I have my zoom lens. We went on a train.
Oh yeah, we did. It was super fun.
We're going to train.
It's a neat little scooter.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the bench and please be sure to watch your children. Asante.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wild.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. For you and personally, be sure to check out the animation experience.
Tiger Jax!
We're still cameras. From ostriches and rhinos.
That's what Tarzan must swing on.
Yeah. I wish I could swing on it. Wait, actually I could if I wanted to.
You probably could, you're right.
I just had to climb on the tree.
One more, Bubba. One more.
We did see Winnie the Pooh there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You gonna see Winnie the Pooh?
Alright, man, let's skis on up.
I just love the shadows.
Yeah.
Is it the train?
Yeah.
Train! Choo choo!
Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilan a los niños. Gracias.
We are now beginning our return trip to the African town of Harare. Legs inside the train. Sit all the way back.
That's a good one.
Please. Disney's passion for animals and conservation.
It's a bit of a bumpy ride.
Cruise across the
We really want to go to Africa one day, so
Yeah.
being there and Disney did a heck of a good job.
Yeah, and like
They really did.
Remember we saw those like tiny shops where they had like the little the jewelry that they made.
Yeah,
and all that.
yeah.
It was really really cool.
Oh yeah, they did it wasn't just the safari ride. Like whenever you walk into that section of Disney, like at least Animal Kingdom. We only went to one park, but it was like you were in a whole other part of the world. It
Yeah.
was awesome. They did so good. That's so cool. Hi. That's so neat.
Look at Bubba watching.
You see it, Bubby? It's the
There's a
tree.
scorpion in the tree.
There's a scorpion. Oh my gosh.
Wait,
there
what?
is.
Where?
There's a scorpion and a hippo. There's a
Whoa!
bird. There's a.
I need my camera.
How did you get out? Just crawled down underneath. I didn't buckle him.
I love the tigers.
Oh yeah, you got to see your tigers.
Yeah.
Look, look. Wow. You can stand up there. Look how cool. Little Mickey ice creams.
yeah.
Pandora, the Avatar world, was like,
Super duper real.
it was insane. They did a really good job of being like, really making you feel like you're a part of the movie and in the movie, and they brought it all to life.
It's a floating island.
The Dino Land.
Oh yeah, and there was like this humongous dino.
Look! Look at that dinosaur! This is so big! Wow! You want a picture with it? Wow.
We know about dinosaurs, right? Dinosaurs are. Okay, you know, I'm gonna stop with this. These are dinosaur eggs!
There's the butt. booth.
Yes, but it was super hot in there. Oh, my gosh.
Oh my gosh, was it so hot?
Yeah, it was like 1,000,000 degrees in it.
We were walking out to leave because we were seeing that was about the time they were going to close. So when we were walking out to leave, all of a sudden there's like a band playing. This lady starts dancing. She's like asking people to come out and dance with her, and she's teaching them these dances. And so of course, my little dancing queen over here wanted to go out. So me, her, and Journey went out, and it was so fun. Yes. We did get a small tidbit clip of Jordan dancing.
Oh, yeah.
We caught him a little bit, but that was it.
Almost isn't enough.
Got you. She's getting it.
Can I see it?
They give us fresh pennies too.
Focus. There you go, I think. We got this one. We got that one. That's a wrap. Till our next excursion. Boop.
Oh, look, I'm holding Journey.
I'm getting my hair done professionally right now, don't mind me. Hair salon by Journey.
Yeah, right?
Group hug. You see clouds. Whoa, I see it. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at him, Journey. He's saying hi, Journey. Hi, turtle.